Welcome. Here's how you can copy data between mirror columns and standard columns through the Smart Mirror column. App features. This app copies data between mirror columns and pastes it into standard columns. This feature streamlines workflows by ensuring that data mirrored from another board is updated or recorded in a standard column, which can be used for further automation, filtering, or reporting. Example use case scenario. A marketing team uses Monday.com to track campaigns with one board for campaign overview and another for detailed campaign metrics. Campaign overview board contains high-level details of each campaign like the campaign name, budget, and deadline. Now it uses a mirror column to pull in detailed metrics such as clicks and conversions from the detailed campaign metrics board. Detailed campaign metrics board tracks specific metrics for each campaign, for example, daily clicks, conversions, and cost per click. Alright, let's get started with the setup instructions. First, go to the numbers, text, person, status, or date column. For this example, we have chosen the text column and renamed it as Conversions, Standard column. Now click the three dots next to the column, select Column Extension, then select Smart Mirror column. In the settings box, configure the columns and triggers. You will need to select the mirror or standard column to copy from and the mirror or standard columns to paste data into. Next, choose the trigger to activate the Smart Mirror column. You have options like when an item is created, an item is moved, a column is changed, or the status is changed to anything. Finally, click Save and refresh the page. Now let's move on to the Smart Column setup. A Smart Mirror column named Conversions, Standard column, is created on the Campaign Overview board. This column is configured to automatically copy the data from the Conversions column, which pulls metrics from the Detailed Campaign Metrics board, into the Conversions Standard column on the same board. Now whenever you choose the value of Detailed Campaign Metrics, the values in the Conversions Mirror column will be cast onto the Conversions Standard column. Since we cannot use Monday automation directly on Mirror column that is on Conversions, so with the help of Smart Mirror column, which is Conversion Standard column, we can config Monday automation. Here we have added Monday automation, which will run to check if the Conversion Standard column value exceeds 1000. If so, it will notify the supervisor. Get it now on Monday App Marketplace.